Your multi-function steering wheel provides access to multiple features via haptic touch controls which respond to a variety of intuitive gestures such as press, slide, and hold. On the left side are the controls for standard and adaptive cruise control. The top right button turns adaptive cruise on and off. When your desired speed is reached, press the Set button. Press and hold the plus button for more than a second to increase the set speed in 5 miles per hour increments. Use the minus button in the same way to reduce in 5 miles per hour increments. While in adaptive cruise mode, set the relative distance to vehicles ahead with the centre button. As the number of bars increase, the distance increases. On the bottom of the control pad, you can adjust the volume of your infotainment system. Tap the up or down buttons or slide your thumb left or right to adjust. The right-hand side controls the appearance of the digital cockpit. One of 4 views can be selected using the View button. There's Classic, with a standard display of speedometer and tachometer dials, Navigation, showing the map and route guidance, Driver Assistance Systems, showing the status of active systems, and Summary, which displays basic information on the vehicle status. In any of the views, press and hold the View button to hide the secondary displays. Press and hold again to bring them back. The up and down arrows move you through available selections within the primary display. Press OK to select an option. Use the side arrows to open the secondary display options. The options are the same for the left and right secondary displays, allowing you to customise your cockpit view. In audio, radio stations or saved presets are available. To return to the list of options, follow the arrow next to the current selection. Select the option you want to display by pressing OK. The voice recognition button gives voice access to multiple features. A short press engages the vehicle's native voice recognition system. A long press of the button activates the voice recognition features of a connected device, such as an iPhone or Android device. If your car is equipped with heated steering wheel, that can be turned on and off using this button here. Tapping this button will allow you to turn it on, adjust the levels of heat, and to turn it off. Finally, the arrows on the bottom of the right-hand controls allow you to change radio channels or music tracks by pressing them, or by swiping right or left.